Delz.
Here we go with a detailed look at the Friday the 13th Jason NES. I just botched that whole intro. Let's try that again. The NES version of Jason. This is a Gamestop exclusive, as you will see on the front of the box. It is only available at Gamestop. The whole vibe to this is it's supposed to be the colorway of in the actual Nintendo, the Nintendo video game, the NES. It's so weird how they switched up the colors of Jason for the video game. Even with Freddy, they came out with a Freddy version, and I think I want that one too, but I just picked this one up, and I wanted to give you a detailed look. Getting up close, I think he looks really awesome. At first, I didn't really understand it, but it looked familiar to my eyes. At first, I was like, why has he got a Hornets colorway like the Charlotte Hornets? But then I was like, oh, the video game. Because I started playing all the old NES games. So, you know, the bell rang in my head, ding, and I understood now. So I definitely love it, and I think they did a great job. I love the straps holding the actual face mask, the hockey mask together. You have like the hits right there on the knife of blood, and then there is a look at his back right there. 8-bits are fun. They look really great, especially like on video, in photos, from a distance. It definitely gives off an 8-bit vibe. So it's pretty cool to actually look at. So that's why I like the 8-bits. Like, I even have the Terminator one up there, and I have a bunch of them. I just don't have them in front of me, but I wanted to give you guys an HD look. Thanks for watching today's video. Please hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe if you're new. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button. Lets YouTube know it's okay to notify you as soon as I upload a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you're looking for any Funko Pops, I'll try to put information in the description box below. Plus, leave your comments. Let me know what you are looking for, because someone may read the comments and be able to help you. Hey, I may be able to help you out.
Delz.
Welcome to a brand new episode of the Delz Show. The Delz Show. We're gonna check out this GameStop, see if they got any exclusive Funko Pops, and we're gonna hit some more stores. Let's get into it. All right, we're at GameStop. Check out what they got. They got new from Masters of the Universe. They got Jasmine. They got the 8-bit Freddy Krueger. It looks really good, the 8-bit Freddy Krueger. I'll try to get up close. I think it looks awesome. Let me know what you guys think. They've got this 8-bit. Now, I've seen the other one that's got purple. This looks like the video game version, but this one has its traditional colors. I think it looks awesome. Let me know what you think of them. And let me know who you like better, Freddy or Jason. Freddy versus Jason. Leave that in the comments. They got this girl who I couldn't stand in The Last Jedi. I thought she sucked, and her look looked terrible. Ugh. They got Mad Max. They got He-Man. They got the flocked Fox and Socks. That's pretty awesome right there. And they also got a Dwight. I'm shocked to still see that they have this exclusive. I didn't think I would see this. I can't wait for the new season. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you can't wait too. They got Supersonic right here. They've got Razor Ramon. I'm still looking for the Chase. Elton John in them red, white, and blues. The Tick. I think we're about to get up out of here. I'm looking at this and I'm wondering to myself, while I'm at Walmart, since when did Nia Jax have the money in the bank? She never had no money in the bank. So why does she have the briefcase? That's strange to me. Am I bugging, or didn't it just start, the Money in the Bank, with Carmella? Shout out to my dude TJ Perkins. We got Samoa Joe right there. Look, they got Mr. Monopoly right there. It's awesome pop. I got this one. We got some Rick and Morty. Guardians of the Galaxy. They got this one. I love this one. I need this one. I have the other one. I need this one though. Alright, we're at Toys R Us. They got Shinsuke Nakamura, who won the Royal Rumble. That was so crazy. They've got this Capcom pack right here. 007 Odd Job. They got the James Bond right here. Toys R Us exclusive. They've got the Golden Girl right there. 007. I think we've seen all this before. They got King Kong. That's pretty awesome, King Kong. They've got a bunch of new Dragon Ball Z. They got the Toys R Us exclusive. Pretty sweet right there. Man, this one's dope. They got a bunch of them. Let me know if you picked up any Dragon Ball Z. Got more WWE, Alexa Bliss, Braun Strowman, The Rock, Razor Ramon. I need that Razor Ramon chase. And I need the Rock chase. Let's see what else they got here. If they got any more of these. Whoa, whoa. Oh my God. Oh man, I swear this is crazy. Yes. We got the chase. Man, if I find the Razor Ramon, that'd be crazy right now. All right, let me put this somewhere safe. Put it right here behind King Kong. Let's see if there's anything else here. That's all for WWE. Man, I never got a chase from Toys R Us. It's the first chase I ever scored at Toys R Us. That's crazy. Oh, Razor Ramon. Nope. I really need the Razor Ramon chase. I gotta find it. I gotta find it. Man. I don't see any more WWE. I can't believe we just scored that. Box looks good. If it doesn't look good, I'll do a box swap right here. I ain't got no shame in my game. I'll do it. We've seen it. You guys have seen it before. I've done box swaps in the store. I got no problem doing that. Check out the image on the box. Usually the standard version is what you get. But in this case, the chase is the image you got on the box, and the standard general release, he got this red jacket. Usually it's the other way around. You'll have this as the chase and then this as the standard version. All right, I bought more than one pop. You'll find out what else I got in just a minute when we get to the casa, baby. All right, we are home and we got The Rock. We finally scored another WWE Funko chase. Happy, so happy. I really want the Razor Ramon still. I'm trying to find that damn Razor Ramon Funko Pop, but the hunt will continue, and I damn well am gonna get that Razor Ramon NWO chase. I'm gonna get it, and I'm not gonna pay for it unless I get it through trade. I'm gonna try to keep hunting, and I'm not giving up. I guarantee I'm gonna find it eventually. Let me know your favorite Rock moment. I was thinking the other day, man, one of the craziest moments with The Rock was the match with Mick Foley, where he kept hitting Mick Foley in the head with the steel chair, the I Quit match, and it was so brutal. I was listening to the Don Tony and Kevin Castle show. Actually, it was Don Tony's This Week in Wrestling History. If you haven't checked them out, please check them out. They're fantastic. Great podcast. If you're a fan of wrestling, they know this stuff and they're passionate about it, and they're very funny, and that's a big reason why I love watching them too. Well, not watching them, listening to them, is because they have great humor and they know the history of wrestling. They know old school to now, so check out them. But he was talking about that match, man, and whenever I hear about that match, I just envision The Rock just smashing him over the head 1 billion times. Just keep hitting Mick Foley in the head, man. And he was really hitting him hard. Like, it pains me just to even talk about it. It was just some real savage shit right there. So, that's one memory I have of The Rock, which was just craziness. Definitely a superstar, not only on WWE, but in the movies. I keep hearing about Jumanji being so great. I haven't seen it yet. Let me know if you've seen Jumanji. I definitely will see it very soon, especially if people give me the heads up and tell me it's great. But Yeah, I went to Toys R Us around 5 o'clock and they just put them out. I could not believe it. Because after I got it and then I went on the line and then I went back because I went and picked something else up, which I'll show you right now. I couldn't help myself. I was fighting myself not to start buying these damn Dragon Ball Zs, but I ended up getting Hit, man. Hit is just a G. You just go to attack Hit and he just dude is out of control, man. So I picked up Hit, and I'm probably going to pick up more Dragon Ball Z Pops. When I went to the register to check out, the lady did tell me that they just put them out. And then she was like, oh, wow, those are actually out, huh? And I was like, yeah, there was only one left. She was like, well, I have like a locker behind me, like a little storage locker. She's like, people have been calling all day about this Funko Pop. So I've been telling them to go to the front desk for them. So the only way to get them is to ask for them. Keep that in mind if you're looking for this one right here, because they may have them at your store. They just don't have them out. You have to actually ask for them because of the fact they're in high demand, I guess. I didn't know that there was hype behind this, but I guess there is. She said she got these and the fingerlings locked up because the kids are going nuts over them damn fingerlings. So if you're looking for this, check Toys R Us website. I'll put a link in the description box below because you can possibly locate it on their website or order it online to pick up. So I will put that in the description box for your convenience. Plus, The Rock. I'll put a link in there also. Hopefully, if you get it, you may have luck getting the actual chase. So check that out. And that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, we go out, we go hunting, and then we come home. That's what I like to do. I come home, we hang out, we talk about Pops a little bit. My last chase I got was the Black Panther last week, and I have this available for trade, okay? But I'm looking for something really, really dope. So, you know, that's how it's going down. If you got something that I really am going to want, let me know. I've got other chases available also, like Frodo, and I got tons of other stuff. So hit me up on my Instagram and let me know what you have. I'm definitely looking for the Razor Ramon. I'm looking for the Pennywise Chase, and I'm willing to trade a couple of Funko Pops for, you know, like the Pennywise Chase. I know it's worth a good amount of money. It's not like so much money, but you know, I have a lot of Pops, and I'm willing to trade 3-4 Pops depending on how rare the one Pop is. So let me know, and it's got to be something that I'm into. It just can't be something rare because I don't care if it's rare. I just like to complete sets. And I really, really need that Razor Ramon because I'm a huge WWE, WCW fan. And plus, with this Pennywise, I gotta complete the set. I have all of them. I just don't have that one that I need. So let me know. We're out of here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that little bell so you're notified as soon as I upload a new video. Look at that, by the way. Autographed by Carrie Fisher and the gang. I love this. I don't show this really in my videos, but I am today. But yeah, hit the little bell. Let YouTube know you want to be notified when I upload a new video. And please hit that thumbs up button. Helps my channel so much. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know what you're looking for. Maybe someone will be able to help you in the comment box below. And happy hunting. We out.